Ladies and gentlemen, we are live. Kuna mtu ana kaderi anaenda mahali leo. Unaenda wapi?
Hi.
Wewe weke kichwa kwa macho. Mbele, cheki mbele, cheki mbele.
So, today I just want to surprise my husband with something. Though anajua naenda kufanya nini? Naenda kutengeneza makucha. Siache kukaa hivi. Siache kukaa hivyo. So, naenda kutengeneza makucha. Nikinunulianga mtoto nguo pia. Kwa sababu mchezo ime increase. Pia kuna vitu zingine nafaa kufanya leo. Hizo ni nini nyingine? Tunaenda kununua diapers. If you are not ready for a baby, don't try this at home. I know that you are shaking. My husband is still adapting to this vlogging thing that I introduced him to, but anajaribu. I'm arranging and cleaning the house. Sinikazi. So today, before Maya aanze kulia juu, I'm also like working on a routine. So my life, 2022. Hey, I want to work on a routine, to develop a routine system. I also like vitu mingi, because already we started like walking Maya each and every day, twice a day. Before morning nap, mid-morning nap, and before the evening or after the evening nap. The good thing is that the place that we are in, wako na play area. So like, it's not a hassle. So kama saa zingine usijisikii kutembea, nampeleka hapo anacheza tu, and then I just relax. Another thing that I want to do is, the house is a bit big, not like the other one. So like cleaning routine. No, like today is on Monday 10th. So today I'm supposed to work kwa kitchen and the bathroom. So for the bathroom ni juu nili postpone hiyo. I think Maya amejizimia music. Hajazima. So, nili postpone from last week washing the loose because I want to deep clean the loose. They are not that clean. Hey, I've been watching Susie Homestead teaching about the fly lady, where the system is good, but we are told to take whatever works for you. Mimi kushine sink jioni ama usiku, hiyo najidanganya. Hiyo si uongo. Hiyo najidanganya. Because most of the time I'm always tired in the evening, and napendanga tu ku take time yangu jioni, but I make sure the dishes are washed each and every day. That's something that huwa nafanya. So another thing, the thing that I've taken from the fly lady system is dressing in the morning, and good clothes. Si ati kukuanga na nguo za Sunday na za Saturday na za Monday. Vanguo mzuri kwa nyumba. See? This is a very good t-shirt and a good pair of shorts, you know. You will slay like he. Yeah, so if I'm going somewhere, or maybe like generally, ninapanga nguo zenye nitavaa kesho. So when I wake up in the morning, I'm just like kuoga na kuvaa nguo. Welcome to my cave. Welcome. Ui. Nani mwingine akiingianga mahali t-shirt na shinangi kishiko na hii kitu. Have a good mirror. Mirror. Hi. Hello. Hi. So, first of all, this is a combo ya choo na bafu. Like, this is the bathroom, this is the toilet. I don't know if you can see the toilet. So, issue moja yenye tulikuwa nayo, acha ni unzoom. Let me unzoom. One issue that we have, hawana rails. They don't have the curtain rails. So, tukioga maji inapita hadi hapa. You know, this area hapa. So like every day, every morning we have to wipe the floor after clean. The second thing, haikukuwa na hizi hooks, ni sisi tuliweka. So you are wondering, ukioga unaweka wapi face towel? Those who used to live here, mlikuwa mnaweka wapi face towel? We had to improvise that. And let me show you. I don't know if kama mtasimama hapo vizuri. You will see whatever I want to show you. I'm short. The point is I'm short. Okay, let me just carry you so that you can see. Let me carry you so that you can see. That's where my hand reaches. Mimi nimesimama chini. Hapo, unaona hizi hooks? Kuna haka hook. Hii hook ni mimi mwenyewe nilijiwekea because that's where I can reach. But now hizi hooks hizi hapa haziwezi hapo kwa ukuta because of the tiles. Wajenzi wa nyumba, tafadhali consider the wives that are short, or even the girls that are short. Nyumba ni ya mwanamke. So I have to step on this thing there. And I have to tiptoe bado. Sure. Ndo nifike. Even if you want to make your home beautiful, use whatever you have in your house so that usikuwe yes na nyumba mrembo but mfuko yako ina struggle. See this beautiful kathingi over here, akakuweka tissue. Oh, I need to take this one, imeisha. This is a box. Hii ni box ya maziwa nilirembesha na kitambaa. So, si lazima mfuko yako struggle. We will advance with time. Yeah, so that's the loo or the bathroom that I need to clean. inaitangwa Nice
Rice Millers.
Nice Rice Millers in Mwea. So sisi tunakujianga rice huku, buying it in bulk.
Ya mwaka mzima.
Yeah, it's so cheap and lighting. Woo! Lighting is the best. So tumetoka hiyo Nice, tumeenda Top Grade Rice Millers. Home of pure Pichuri. Yes, huyu anaingia ama